Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to use function keys on HP Compaq 17. So, first, the function keys are on the top of your keyboard. There's 12 of them, and they work by just clicking on them. But it may actually also work by holding the FN button and clicking. One of these options only may work, so check what works for you. Then F1 key opens the help in browser. F2 lowers the brightness, and F3 brighten up our screen. Then we have F4 that changes the keyboard backlight. You can't probably see it. F5 mutes and unmutes our volume. F6 is volume down, F7 volume up. F8 goes to a previous song, but I don't have song right now. F9 is next song. And F10 pause and unpause our song. F11 opens the project menu. And F12 is insert key. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.